Lost the App Store on your SuperBOX? No worries, here's a quick and easy guide to restore it in just a few steps. When you can't find the App Store, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, and select your Wi-Fi network. Try opening it again if there is still no App Store. Don't worry, there are two ways to fix this. You can use two website addresses to download the app. Change the remote control to mouse mode. Enter the website address in the search bar. 1080888.cc. The App Store will automatically start downloading. Or, enter the website address 1080887.cc. Once the website opens, click on the app icon to start downloading. Open the downloaded file. Go to Settings and enable Install Unknown Apps for Chrome. Tap Install. After that, your box will function normally again, however, until the issue is fully resolved. The App Store may disappear again if you perform a factory reset, and you'll need to repeat the previous steps to restore it. To permanently resolve the issue, please follow the steps below to complete the OTA update. For all user, open the App Store. You will see the TV-ROM updater, OTA, is available to update. Click once to update. After updating, either open the app directly from the App Store, or navigate to the Apps menu to open it. Confirm the download prompt and wait for it to finish. Follow the on-screen guide to install the zip file. The system will update again. Wait for this process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the update finishes, the system will require a reboot. Confirm the prompt, and your box will restart. The App Store will remain installed even after a reset. And that's it. Here are some quick ways to restore your App Store on SuperBOX. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.